Okay, hi, I'm back. I'm Clare Stokolosa, artist, working with a larger format today. It is square. I don't have to think about which way I'll hold the paper for the composition. It's actually 11 3/4. You know, it's Italian paper, and I bought it there, so the size is always a little different. It's a little shy of 12 by 12. This is from Cortona, piece of the classic pottery. Design on it. We're coming close to phase 3, so that's in New York. Let's see, I don't know if I'm gonna go get something to add to this. I have very little fruit left. I wish I had my little strawberry and I could just paint that in, but I'm gonna start with this and just kind of play around with the background. I put in a little bit of oregano here. This I'm gonna draw just to have a little bit of something in the front. Okay. My paints are... When you eat a peach, it just smells like summer. I'll mix and match. Some of these may not be posted on the same day. We have a few to post, but posting hopefully through the 3rd of July. Hopefully we'll be in phase 3. These flowers, wow, they're really lasting. They're starting to go, but I just trim them. All right. Thank you for joining me. Have a great weekend, and see you next time.